This is the most reliable DVD Kalashnikov ever. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in, and this is Airsoft Shooting Range Target 1 in Tokyo, and my name is Takuya. I'm working here. First of all, sorry for my poor English and bad pronounce. I'm trying to be good, but it's pretty hard for me. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you brand new GBB rifle from Tokyo MARUI. Tokyo MARUI already released many of GBB rifle. For example, M4 and M4 with zigzag, short one, long one, and also Japanese service rifle Type 89 and MP7. Well, everybody loves M4, so do I. However, we want something else, don't we? And this is the answer. AKM. I want to say thank you for the guy who lent me this gun. Thank you, Ben. I really appreciate you. In this video, I'm going to show you AKM's exterior and performance and more. Okay, let's get started. Here is a basic spec of AKM. AKM is a modernized model of AK-47, chambered in same 7.62 by 39, lighter than original AK, and also easy to mass production. Okay, so here is a box of AKM, and it has very simple design as for Tokyo MARUI's product. Tokyo MARUI always print picture of the gun on the top or maybe side, but it only says AKM. Okay, take a look closer, and it's saying Automat Kalashnikov modernized. Okay, it's saying AKM. And here is a side. It's also saying AKM. Here is a serial number 10. Okay, you can recognize this as a AKM from any side of the box. Yep, it's AKM. Okay, so let's unbox it. Yoisho. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Okay, so here is the inside of the box. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm really excited. It's beautiful. This AKM comes with a magazine, and here is some accessories, and looks like a cartridge case, and it contains here muzzle cap, BBs, and this is adjustable tool for front sight, and also it's including instruction manual. Looks nice, and it's contained some target papers, and here is a manual. There is a lot of picture of the AKM, how to use it, how to aim it. Yeah, it's like that. And here is a BB loader. Okay. By the way, this tan-colored fabric underlay can be used for wrapping clothes. Okay, let me show you how to use these things and open the clothes like this and put the gun on the clothes and wrap it. Okay, I guess. And this reminds me of the movie which called Road of War. It looks so bad. Okay, so now let's take a look detail of AKM and look at this gun. It's so beautiful, isn't it? It's so fantastic. It's magnificent, isn't it? Right? I feel it's too clean for Kalashnikov, I guess. Kalashnikov should be more dirty or rusty, right? Actually, yeah, of course, it's just out of the box. Yeah, but it's too clean, too clean. It's beautiful. Yeah, I want to make it more dirty. Unfortunately, stock and handguard are made by plastic, and of course, I know some people might be disappointed about this. However, actually, I don't mind because look at this print on the stock and handguard. It's very, very realistic and looks great. And also this pistol grip. Okay, real gun is made by Bakelite. It looks almost like Bakelite, and also very thin grip. Next gen AK-47 has an electric motor inside this here, so it's very make us sick. However, there is no motor in here, that's why it's thin. It's very feel good. Yeah, I love it already. Mainly parts of AKM made by zinc die cast here, receiver, and also the barrel. Okay, but this cleaning rod and here top plate and selector and this trigger guard are made by steel. And inside of the gun is also very, very realistic. And you can remove this top cover by push the button like this. And look at this. It's so nice. And you can disassemble like real gun. This spring. And check this out. This piston is very long, very, very realistic, right? And also, I want to show you this piston. You can see here. You can see that? It's moving. It's very impressive. It's very impressive. And also, hammer is here, and it works like this. It's very, very nice. It's very realistic. And I watched the video which Russian girls disassemble and also assemble Kalashnikov very fast. I can do that. I have to do a practice. By the way, Tokyo Marui announced do not shoot without this top cover because there is a possibility of injured because it's moving very fast. So please don't do that. Okay. Then when you put on the top cover, the gun, please make sure this button is the same position as the original one. Okay. If this button like this, do not shoot. Okay, so let's load the magazine. Maybe everybody knows how to use this, but I'm going to show you how to remove the magazine. And push this button and move forward the magazine. That's it. And this is 35 rounds Kalashnikov magazine. It's made by aluminum die cast. It looks great and pretty lighter than I thought. It's about 500 grams. And also, Tokyo Marui reproduction spot welding here looks great. And here is a Tokyo Marui's engrave, and also here is something, a mark here. Then let me use speed loader from Tokyo Marui. It's almost same way as usual. It's a little bit hard, but still smooth. Okay, there we go. 35 rounds. And gas charge from here, it's completely same as usual. Then let's check the muzzle velocity. And I'm going to use 0.2 gram BBs, and the magazine temperature is 30.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now I'm ready to shoot, and let's see how it works. You know, this is from Tokyo Marui. It should be good, right? Oh, by the way, this is the way how to use Kalashnikov, okay? So you have to change fire mode first before you pull the bolt handle. And this position is safe. And in the middle, here's an engrave in Russian, but I can't read this. So in the middle is fully automatic, and on the bottom is semi-automatic. Okay, so let's shoot in semi-automatic first, okay? Insert magazine, change fire mode, hold bolt handle. Nice. Okay, so let's see how it works. Oh, マジか. Oh, it's so good. Oh, you can see that this recoil is so strong and damn, sorry. It's so good. Wow, it's incredible. Okay, let's see in fully automatic, okay? マジか. Oh, damn good. Oh, sorry for my bad expression. Oh, so good, so good. Really. And when you run out of bullets, it will stop. Even you put both again, it doesn't work. It's excellent. Wow. I want to buy one. This is so awesome. It's great. And I want you to check this rate of fire with fully automatic. See? I feel like I'm shooting 7.62 by 39. And also, I got M4. It's a Tokyo MARUI's M4 MWS. And this fully auto, it looks like it's pretty fast, right? But it's also great. But this difference of rate of fire, it's awesome. I feel so happy. Awesome. Okay, now let's check stability of the gun. And here is a fully loaded and also fully charged gas magazine. And the temperature is 30.7 degrees Celsius. I'm going to keep shooting until bullets run out with fully automatic. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, it's pretty stable. I could keep shooting until bullets run out with no stress. It's very stable. Okay, let me try again, and there's no more warm up, okay? And you know what? When I shoot with full auto, I was feel like okay, let me try it. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's getting slower, but I could shoot twice without no heating. Impressive. Okay, so it works so well, and let's check the accuracy of this gun. And I'm going to shoot this white rectangle plate, which size is 9 by 4 centimeters in 10 meters. Okay, I'm going to use 0.2 grams plastic BB, and let's shoot with semi-automatic. Okay. Nice. Oh, wait a minute. I'm shooting Kalashnikov, right? It's too accurate. Nice. Oh, it's so accurate. It's completely, bullets goes to where I aim. It's so accurate. It's amazing. Wow. Wow, it's so impressive. This is so nice. It's so accurate. Oh, out of bullets. Oh, it's so accurate. You know what? You should probably buy it because where's the weakness point? It's so reliable and accurate. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, it's too good for Kalashnikov. Ah, everybody should probably buy it. It's amazing. I can't believe that it is a GBB rifle. However, Kalashnikov has very, very tiny front sight and rear sight. This is a side picture of AKM. It's very small. It's not easy to aim. However, if you get very, very concentrated to aim, you can hit a target, definitely. And this AKM has tangent rear sight, and you can elevate the rear sight with this part and like this. Okay. Then here's engraving here. Here's Russian and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Okay, so now let me challenge a speed shooting game with AKM. And there is a white round target that will light up randomly. And I always shoot last 6 or 7 seconds maybe. I hope I can shoot as fast as usual. Let's shoot. So tiny sight. Oh, nice. 6.34. 6.34. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Let me try 2 more times. Okay. Oh, it's so accurate. Then good. Okay. Oh, nice. 571. It's great. Actually, AKM has very tiny sight, but also it's pretty accurate. So it's good. Little miss. Okay, so my best score is 571. It's good. It's good, right? It's very nice. It's so accurate. Even it has a very tiny sight. It's good. Nice. I love it. Okay, so now I'm here at 20 meters range in Shinjuku branch, and let's see the accuracy again. Okay, I'm gonna use 0.2 gram plastic BB again, and let's shoot 10 rounds with semi-auto. Whoa. Okay. You know what? I can't see anything. Okay, so here is what I got. I shot 10 rounds in 20 meters with 0.2 gram BBs, and wow, it's bullseye. And grouping was, whoa, magica, 10.7 centimeters. It's pretty amazing grouping as GBB rifles. It's pretty accurate. It was so accurate even in 20 meters. You know what? This is not Kalashnikov. It's a Kalashnikov shaped M16. It's so accurate. And also, trigger feel is so nice and smooth. You can pull the trigger without any stress, so smooth. See? It's very, very light. And you can recognize the trigger reset with your finger and sound. It's very nice. It's very, very good trigger. Okay, thank you for watching. And what do you think about this gun? What I think? I totally love it. Because it looks so badass. I love badass gun. And also, this is the most reliable GBB Kalashnikov ever. It's very solid and pretty accurate. I can't say complain for anything. By the way, one thing, only one thing. These parts made by plastic. Oh no. Yeah, I can understand who disappoint about this point. However, I don't mind, but if you mind, you can change it. Maybe if you change those parts, but still affordable, right? You can get this reliable, accurate Kalashnikov with affordable price. It's unbelievable. Well, thank you for watching till end, and I will upload video of English version. So please leave your comments about this gun and also about my English. Please tell me which part is wrong, or maybe you should say like this or like that. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. AKM, it's so badass. Nice.